Come. Good boy, good boy. Lucky. Good boy. Eat. Good boy. Jump. Good boy. Eat. Lucky, come. Come. Jump. Good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy. Eat.
So hey, what's up guys? This is Lucky. He is a 1.5 years old dog. Basically, he is very aggressive and a hyperactive mix.
So the client asked us to train him all the basic commands and also to control his hyperactive and also to control his barking because he goes on barking, non-stop barking. It was very annoying for the nearby houses, so we controlled that one also. It was really hard guys because training 1.5-year-old dog is really a hectic one. Finally we brought patience in him. You can see that he is just waiting for my command. Good boy. And you can also see he is just playing with Lingay. So the basic commands like sit, come, no, eat, shake, high five, jump, bark. Then potty training, cage training, muscle training, then hyperactive control. We brought patience in him. So these are the things I just taught him. And also the client asked us, whenever they open the gate, the dog shouldn't go out. We trained that one also guys.
So let's go and check out how we trained our Lucky.
Lucky, give us, sit. Good boy. Down. Good boy. Good boy. Lucky, shake. Good boy, good boy. High five. Good boy, good boy, good boy. Okay. Now we are going to see no on eat command, okay? No. No. Eat. Good boy. When you are using no command, don't keep on smiling. Show your anger to them through your facial expression and through your tone. They will come to understand that they are doing something which you don't like. Jump. Good boy. Good boy. Lucky, sit. Okay. Stay. Lucky, stay. 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 Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. So guys, now let's see potty training. There is a clip regarding that. Let's see that now.
Oi, potty poma. Potty pinala po. Potty pinala po. Good boy, potty. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, potty, good boy.
So now let's see muscle training guys. First 10 days it was really hard for him, but now he got comfortable with that. Let's see that now. Lucky, come, come. Come, come. Good boy, good boy. When you are standing and telling your dog to come to you, if he is not or she is not coming to you, just bend to their height and tell them to come. It's a kind of respect. They will get trust on you guys. Good boy. Avladhan guys. Come, come. Good boy. He got comfortable with the muzzle guys. First 10 days it was really hard for me, but now he really got comfortable. This patience only took a long time for me, but finally we brought the patience in him. Good boy. Now let's see the cage training. Lucky, come. Lucky ma, ulla po. Ulla po, ulla po, ulla po. Regarding cage training, daily keep their food and water inside the cage, so they will get comfortable with the cage and they will come to know that this is their home. The client asked us to train him like whenever we open the gate, the dog shouldn't go out, and also they asked for on-leash training. The on-leash training was a little tough for us, but we succeeded in the patience. If the gate is open, he never goes out. He will always wait for my command. When he came to me, he was around 1.5 years old guys. That is the big fault that I faced. Now we came near the gate guys. Lucky, I said no. No. Stay. Stay. No. Stay. Stay. Lucky. No. Okay. No. Stay. Stay. No. Stay. No. Okay. So guys, you can check this out. He's waiting for my command. This patience nearly took me 15 days time, but finally we succeed in this. Just now a lady crossed, and even though he's just seeing who is that and not going out, it was really a good one. Good boy, good boy.
Whenever he thinks of barking only, he will bark. Lucky, Lucky bark. Bark, bark. Good boy, good boy, good boy. Okay, no சொன்னே, no. So bark பண்ணும்போது no சொன்னா கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணிரலாம். No bark. No. Good boy, good boy. Good boy. Lucky, bark. Good boy, good boy.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Even if you guys want to train your dogs, just go train your dogs. It's really important. Teaching your dogs a good behavior is really a good one. Let's see you next video, guys. Bye.